If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you create multiple company files using the same Intuit ID in QuickBooks Online, you can easily switch between them. To do this, click the Settings button. Then select the Switch Company link in the drop-down menu under the Profile heading to open the Choose Your Company page that shows your company files. Then click the name of a company file to open its dashboard page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.